Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to clear cache in your Yahoo Mail in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Yahoo Mail app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Yahoo Mail. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and make sure you go to clear cache. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear cache. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear cache and free up space in your Yahoo Mail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.